Number of coronavirus deaths tops 240 in LA County. This as officials extend the stay-at-home order for another month.
You are now required to wear masks if you work at or visit an essential business in Los Angeles. Other cities also following LA's lead.
And thousands of people lining up for hours at a drive-through food distribution event in Inglewood. Hello, I'm Colleen Sullivan.
I'm Ellen Leyva. We are live on ABC 7 and streaming live on ABC7.com and the ABC 7 Los Angeles app.
We begin with the very latest on the coronavirus emergency. LA County's Public Health Director Dr. Barbara Ferrer says she is now beginning to see a flattening of the curve in the number of cases, although the death toll is continuing to climb.
County is extending its stay-at-home order until May 15th. That order for homes and businesses had been set for April 19th. Worldwide, the death toll has hit 100,000, and public health officials and religious leaders are warning people about violating the lockdowns and physical distancing rules over the Easter holiday.
Here's a look at the latest numbers in Southern California. Los Angeles County now has more than 8,400 cases. Riverside County has 1,350 cases, followed by Orange County with 1,138. San Bernardino County reports 729, and there are 247 cases in Ventura County. Health officials say without lifting the stay-at-home order today, nearly everyone in LA County could be infected by August. Eyewitness News reporter Josh Haskell is live with the very latest on the coronavirus emergency. Josh?
That's right. You know, Ellen and Colleen, we've already been practicing safer at home for 3 weeks. This extension means that we have 5 more weeks. All non-essential businesses will remain closed till May 15th. This as cases in LA County continue to climb. Now, here are the latest numbers. The LA County Health Department announced 475 new cases, bringing the total of cases in LA County to 8,430. Dr. Ferrer also announced 18 new deaths, bringing the total deaths in LA County to 241. In the last 48 hours, the county has 900 new cases of COVID-19. This is why the safer at home order was extended, even though the county says safer at home is working. Officials also urged anyone celebrating Easter this weekend to celebrate at home and use technology to connect with family.
We have in fact seen what we now can confirm is in fact the flattening of the curve in a way that's actually saving lives and allowing us to have a chance at making sure that our healthcare system remains able to serve all who need care. But because there are so many people that are infected in LA County, and because there is still so much spread, we have to continue to keep ourselves physically apart.
I know all of us are developing some anxiety and cabin fever and want to get out. The weather is improving throughout the state of California. Let's continue to hold the line, and let's just do this together. Give us a few more weeks to see where these trend lines go.
Now, a big focus of Newsom's remarks today was about what's being done to address the spread of COVID-19 at nursing homes throughout the state and protect those who live and work at nursing homes. Now, Newsom announced the USNS Mercy will take seniors who are non-COVID-19 patients who need medical attention. FEMA will also help support the delivery of meals to seniors isolated at home. Newsom and his staff also highlighted data and charts that shows that the stay-at-home order has been effective, but stressed it could change at any time if Californians do not obey that order. And also an interesting note, which Colleen, Ellen, you guys touched on at the top, Dr. Christina Gali, the Health Services Director for the county, said that if they would have not done safer at home, upwards of 96% of those who live in LA County could have come down with COVID-19. Live at home, Josh Haskell, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, Josh, thank you very much. If you're going into a public space or business in Los Angeles, you're now required to cover your face. A new mask mandate went into effect throughout the city today. Eyewitness News reporter Sid Garcia explains what that means exactly for you.
At this Porter Ranch supermarket, it looked like everyone, employees and customers, were complying with LA's new mandate. It's simple. Employees at essential businesses like grocery stores have to wear a mask or face covering, and customers are required to do the same when they enter.
How are you dealing with it?
Fine, no problem. You do what you have to do. I have my gloves in my pocket, which I'm not sure how effective they'll be, but I'm going to wear them anyway.
Honestly, I feel like I'm suffocating, because I'm not used to it. So but I mean,
if it's needed, I would use it.
When you went inside, you saw the employees. Good thing?
Yes. A few customers that weren't wearing one, but what are you going to do?
A number of other cities are following LA's lead. Beverly Hills mandate begins at 6 tonight. No one was really complaining about our new normal and having to wear something to cover your face.
Everyone should do their part, and nobody is immune to this, and everyone needs to get smart.
And in LA's mandate, businesses can refuse customer service if they're not wearing a mask. In Porter Ranch, I'm Sid Garcia, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Sid, thank you. A lifeline for people struggling financially because of the pandemic. Hundreds lining up today to get groceries, a drive-through pantry at the Forum in Inglewood. Eyewitness News reporter Jade Hernandez takes a look at this growing need.
When we pulled up to this man in his Prius, he had already been waiting in line for 2 hours.
We are looking for, the fresh food. I hope it will help for our family.
Lake Gurung hasn't worked since March 17th. He had been employed as a cook at the Beverly Wilshire Hotel. He's already filed for unemployment.
That's why it's really a hard time for everyone.
Which is exactly why Unite Here Local 11, a hospitality workers union, decided to hold this food distribution on Good Friday. Cars lined up around the Forum in Inglewood hours before the giveaway began.
We are expecting potentially 5,000 cars. We have 4 lanes. We have, it's going to be drive-through pickup. People have been waiting here since like 6:30 in the morning.
Due to that expected need, Unite Here Local 11 partnered with the City of Inglewood, the Forum, and the LA Regional Food Bank, among other groups.
It's really tough to see because these are people with families and they don't know where the next meal is going to come from, right? So having the support of their union, having the support of the Regional Food Bank, right, just really, really means a lot.
And Gurung is one of those families who told us the food he gets today will help feed his wife and 2 children. And today's pickup was absolutely necessary for his family. This is the second food bank in 2 days. Yesterday's food bank helped about 2,000 families. To get help or give help, go to lafoodbank.org. You can find information about the nearest food distribution on that website. In Inglewood, Jade Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Holy Week is much different this year due to the coronavirus emergency, but the Archdiocese of Los Angeles is making sure the faithful still feel connected.
I came to Jesus as I was, so weary worn.
Archbishop Jose Gomez led a virtual national prayer today, which is Good Friday for Christians. Many believers are now turning to online services during the Passover and Easter holidays because places of worship are being impacted by physical distancing rules.
ABC 7 has teamed up with the LA Archdiocese to bring Easter Mass to millions who are at home. We will carry 2 services, the 7 a.m. Mass in Spanish and the English Mass at 10 a.m. And there are a number of ways you can watch them. We will stream the services on abc7.com and on our new connected TV streaming app on Amazon Fire and Android TV. We will also carry them on the Localish network. If you watch TV using an antenna, you can find it on channel 7.2 over the air. You can also find it through our Localish network distribution partners. Cox Channel 796, 1133, Frontier Channel 467, Google Fiber Channel 70, Mediacom Channel 520, and Charter Spectrum Channel 1246.
And we have all the information on this pandemic in one place. Just go to abc7.com/coronavirus. In addition to the latest news, you'll find tips on how to avoid getting sick, educational risks, and a tutorial on how to make a face mask from materials in your own home.